Blue Ocean Strategy, one of the most famous business book ever written. The idea is simple. There are two types of markets. Okay, we have red oceans and we have the blue ocean. Basically, the red ocean is crowded, competitive, everyone fighting for the same thing. And the blue ocean is the open space where there is no competition because you created something new. When I finished this book, in fact, I haven't really finished it yet, but I think I got the idea. I don't really need to finish it. It's enough. There is a lot of fluff there, but who cares? And while I was reading it, I realized that I was part of the blue ocean. Let me explain. See, data engineering, the career that you might want to break into right now, was the blue ocean, and people like me helped to create it. I'm going to show you how to find your own blue ocean today. Okay? Welcome back, everybody. Subscribe. And let's get into it. So let me explain how I was part of the blue ocean. Here is something most people do not realize. Data engineering as a field is very new. If you started working in data 8-10 years ago, the title data engineering barely existed. There was no roadmap, no YouTube tutorials. There is no things like how to become a data engineer videos. Nothing. When I started, I was not a data engineer. Nobody was. We were just people working with data inside companies. We were analysts, developers, database people, and we kept running into the same problems. Data was messy. Data was everywhere. Nobody could connect it. Nobody could trust it. Reports were wrong. Dashboards were broken. So we started fixing it. Not because somebody told us to, because the problem was right there in front of us. We wrote scripts to move data. We built pipelines before they were called pipelines. We connected systems that nobody had connected before. We did it bit by bit, day by day. And slowly the companies that we worked for realized, wait, this is a real thing. This is a real role. We need more people like this. That is how data engineering was created. Not in a university at all. It was created in real life, inside companies, by people who saw a mess and decided to fix it. We did not apply for data engineering jobs. We created them. In fact, the companies built the role around us because we proved the value first. That right there is a blue ocean. We were not competing for an existing job. We were building a job that didn't exist yet. To recap before just diving into the strategy that I'm going to give you, data engineering was not invented by companies. It was invented by engineers who kept solving data problems until companies had to give it a name. That's it. If you are watching this and thinking I want to do the same thing, I have a program where I help people break into data engineering with the exact same strategy. Link in the description. Let's keep going. The question that you might wonder right now, where is data engineering right now? This is the big question. Is data engineering a red ocean now? A lot of people think so. Hundreds of people learning the same tools, same resume everywhere. But here is my honest take. Data engineering is not a red ocean. Not yet. At the same time, it is not a blue ocean either. I would say it's somewhere in between or into the blue ocean side. However, the core roles at big tech companies, that is getting competitive, of course. A lot of people applying for the same senior positions at the same well-known companies, right? That part is turning red for sure. But here is what most people miss. The vast majority of companies out there still do not have data engineer. Small businesses, mid-sized companies, non-tech industries, healthcare, logistics, finance, retail, they are drowning in data problems and they have no one to solve them. Some of them do not even know the role exists actually. Especially now with AI, there is a lot of pressure. That is still blue ocean, pure blue ocean, wide open. And it is exactly where the opportunity is right now. Now, the question is how to find your blue ocean. How do you create your own blue ocean? Here is how. Step 1. Stop looking where everyone else is looking. Forget the big tech companies. Look for companies that obviously have data problems but no data team. This is very important, okay? Startup, small companies, non-tech industries, they are everywhere. That's step 1. Step 2, get inside. Any role. You might wonder, okay, how I'm going to get inside a company? Well, with any role, okay? Analyst, operations, marketing, support, doesn't really matter here. The title does not matter. What matters is you are inside a company that has messy data and no one to fix it. That's step 2, okay? Of course, we assume that you're already looking into data engineering space and you kind of have some skills related to data engineering like SQL, cloud platform, etc. That's step 2. Step 3, do exactly what data engineers did 10 years ago. Find the mess. For example, that manual report that somebody building it every Monday. Those spreadsheets that never agree, right? Excel files everywhere. Data stuck in some tools. Nobody can access it. Go and fix it. Automate it, connect it, use SQL, Python, free cloud account, Google BigQuery or Snowflake, whatever it takes. Solve one real problem. And it's not difficult at all. It's very easy. That's step 3. Step 4, show the impact in business terms. Most of the people focus on the technical terms and they forget to explain. They forget to talk and explain what they have done in business terminologies. Let me explain. Don't say I built a pipeline. Say instead, I automated the weekly reports. It used to take 4 hours. Now it's done automatically by 8 a.m. Of course, while doing all of this, you will find a lot of data quality issues, and you can say, we also caught few errors that were causing wrong decisions. That's actually how you make leadership pay attention. That's step 4. Step 5, let the role come to you. When you prove the value, the company create the position. They are not going to go to LinkedIn to look for someone. They already have one. You build it from the inside with zero competition. You are in a pure blue ocean, man. This is the exact same thing we did as data engineers. We did not compete for data engineering jobs. We created them by solving problems nobody else was solving. You can do the same exact thing today. It's even better and easier. If you want help building your blue ocean plan, step by step, my coaching program is built for the exact thing. Link in the description. Now let me leave you with the bigger point here. Because this is not just about getting a job. It's about how careers actually work, if you really think about it. The people who built data engineering a few years ago did not follow a roadmap. There was no roadmap, right? They did not watch videos on YouTube how to become a data engineer. There were no tutorials, but they saw problems. They solved them, and the industry formed around them. That is how every great career starts. It's not by following a path someone else made. It's by creating one. And the beautiful thing is the world has more data problems today than it did 10 years ago. Way more. Every company is collecting data. Almost none of them know what to do with it. The demand is infinite, and the supply of people who can actually solve these problems is tiny. You don't need to compete. You need to find the company that does not know they need you yet. As someone who wants to break into data engineering, you don't want to compete. You need to find the company that doesn't know they need you yet. Walk in, solve the problem, and let them build the role around you. That is a blue ocean strategy. Not just a business book, a career strategy. And I'm living proof that it works. So stop fighting in a crowded water filled with sharks. You don't need to do that. Go where nobody is looking. Create the opportunity yourself. It's extremely easy in the data field these days in the AI era. If you find this helpful, like and subscribe. Drop a comment below and tell me, where are you? Are you in a red ocean or in a blue ocean? Share this with someone who is stuck applying on LinkedIn with no results. That means they are drowning in the red ocean. This is very dangerous. This video might change their whole approach. And if you want me to work together and find your blue ocean personally, you can click the link below and book a call with me. Let's make it happen. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.